For the past 6 months, me and my team have been on a quest to find the best AI tools out there that will generate you tens and thousands of rands. And after 6 long months of trying over 481 AI tools, after testing and testing, till we finally find our best winners, here are the top 5 AI tools that if anyone who is dedicated and willing to do exactly as I say in this video will make tens and thousands of rands. And not only that, but somewhere along this video I am going to share with you my personal favorite AI tool that I have used to make over tens and thousands of rands. Let's begin. See, the first AI tool on our list is Canva Magic Studios. You see, what Canva Magic Studio is an AI tool that allows you to create posts for all the major social media platforms. We're talking about Facebook, we're talking about Twitter, we're talking about Instagram. These AI tools create posts for you that are guaranteed to go viral. All that you have to do is you can monetize it in one of two ways. The first one is you can create a social media page, and after creating that social media page, you could go into Canva Magic Studios and ask it to generate you over 30 different posts that you are going to post on a daily basis. And after posting on a daily basis, you are going to earn money from that social media platform when your social media page starts to grow and reach more followers and more likes. The second way that you can monetize on this is you could be like Jeffrey. This is Jeffrey. Jeffrey started as a McDonald's employee. He did not have any life savings. He was living paycheck to paycheck, and like any normal South African family, he was the only breadwinner in the family. But he knew that he wanted more out of life. He knew that there was more to life than just flipping patties each and every day. Up until one normal day, you see, Jeffrey was calling on TikTok and he came across the launch of the new Canva Magic Studios. He seized the opportunity. He understood that many businesses in his local area did not understand how social media worked, but they wanted to go into the untapped market. What he then decided to do is he decided to approach local businesses in this area and pitch them a deal, talking about if I can grow your social media page for you and reach more customers for you, will you pay me a small percentage? And 6 months down the line, Jeffrey quitted his McDonald's job. 8 months down the line, he bought his first car. And that is how you can monetize on it. The first one is you can create a social media page, or you could approach businesses, traditional businesses in your local area, pitch them on growing their social media page. And if they agree, you just go back to Canva Magic Studios, you type in a prompt that gives you daily posts that you are going to post on a daily. And you are just the middleman transferring the value from one platform into the other and cashing money off of that. The second one on our list is Tomy App. You see, Tomy App is an AI tool that allows you to create well done professional pitch decks that you can use to pitch business ideas to potential investors. You see, this is Janet. Janet started as an employed mother of one. She was working a job that she did not like. She had a boss that was ill-treating her each and every day. She wanted to quit that job. But one day, she attended a year-end conference meeting for one of the biggest companies that was nearby in her local area. When she attended that conference meeting, she came across one of the richest people in that conference meeting. And once she was sitting there, listening to them speaking, talking about how much money they made that year, she realized something. Those people were talking about pitch decks, how they use pitch decks to get over 200 million rands to potential investors. Guess what she did? She understood that pitch decks were something that can help anyone make money if only you understand how to create it professionally. And by some coincidence, 2 days later, while she was scrolling on TikTok, she found something, Tomi App, an AI tool that allows you to create professional pitch decks. And then what she did is she went on to local areas. She approached local businesses, local entrepreneurs, local freelancers, people who had small businesses but wanted to grow those businesses. She approached those people and she told them that if I can help you create a professional pitch deck and you pay me a small amount of money, you can use that pitch deck and approach potential investors and pitch them your business idea. And when they invest in your business idea, you make more money than what you initially paid her. Today, she managed to quit her job and now she is a world successful entrepreneur, turning over 6 figures each and every month. And you can also capitalize on this opportunity because not a lot of people in your local area know what Tomi App is, know what a pitch deck is. And if you can introduce this idea, you are sitting at a pot full of gold. The only thing that is left for you is to act. The third AI tool on our list is Gamma App. You see, Gamma App is an AI tool that allows you to create websites off of just describing what you want to be created. You just give it a prompt and it creates a fully functional website. You see, this is one of my favorite AI tools because it allows you to create something that used to cost people, companies, tens and thousands of rands just to hire a IT professional. But you can do it at your back room using your phone. The way in which you can capitalize on this, you can use the same strategy that I used. You can approach entrepreneurs, businesses, local businesses, and tell them that I have searched your company on social media platforms, on all these major Google platforms, but I did not see your website, or your website was not well done. I have done the liberty to create a professionally done website all for you. All that you have to do is log into it and everything runs smoothly for you on autopilot. And you can charge very handsome sums of money for that. I am talking to you right now. I have done this and I have made very handsome sums of money off of this. And you can also do it too if you understand how to create a website. The fourth one on our list is Midjourney. You see, Midjourney is an AI tool that allows you to create artistic imagery. You see, recently there's been a trend of these AI generated images that are cool and artistic, and you can also capitalize on this, just like Margaret. You see, Margaret was someone who liked fashion. She understood how fashion went, but she did not want to go through every single thing, like creating the designs for the new shirts, creating the new trendy designs. But what she did is she found Midjourney, and after finding Midjourney, what she then decided to do is she looked on the internet on trending designs, and after looking at those trending designs, she screenshotted them, put them on Midjourney, asked Midjourney to just create something similar to this but way more cooler. And guess what? Midjourney created exactly that. And what she then decided to do is just take that imagery, put it into a stock of t-shirts, hoodies, and now her brand is one of the well-known brands here in South Africa, and she makes over tens and thousands of rands each and every month, all by using Midjourney. You can also capitalize on this. If you understand print on demand, you can just create a t-shirt on a website, put a design from Midjourney, advertise it on social media, and make money off of it. All that you have to do is be creative enough to understand which designs are trending. You take those designs, you put them on Midjourney, you ask Midjourney to just create more cooler designs using that basic design as a point of reference. Midjourney creates those references for you, and you put them on social media and advertise them. The more people who resonate well with those things, the more money you make. And last but not least is Jasper AI. You see, Jasper AI is an AI tool that helps you create long form blog articles. You see, what a blog article is, when major businesses drop new products, they create a blog. When they drop a new t-shirt, a new design, a new phone, a new sneaker, whatever it is, a major move that a big company does, they create a blog article about it. Because they understood one thing. You see, blogs look very professional and they represent companies. What you can do is you can capitalize on this, just like Precious, because you understand that companies use blogs to announce major news to their customers. You can approach growing companies in your local area who do not yet understand how websites work, how blogs work. You approach them and you ask them that if I am able to help you create blogs each and every time you drop something new, will you pay me off of that? You see, this is exactly what Precious did. And she approached over 50 companies in her local area. 45 of them said no. 5 of them said yes. And each and every time they drop something new and they want to reach customers, they want to announce to their local customers, she creates blogs for them and she charges them 3,000 rands each and every time she does that. And 4 months down the line, those exact companies that initially said no to her, now they are begging her to please come and make blogs for us, because they saw what she does for their competition. and they see that their competition makes more money just by creating blogs. And if you can capitalize on this like Margaret, you can also buy you yourself a brand new car. You can make over tens and thousands of rands each and every month. This is the complete summary of the top 5 AI tools that will guarantee you tens and thousands of rands each and every month if you capitalize on them today. The first one is Canva Magic Studios. Canva Magic Studios create social media posts for you for all major platforms that are guaranteed to get traction or reach virality. The second AI tool is Tommy App. You see, Tommy App creates professional pitch decks that entrepreneurs can use to pitch investors to make more money. The third one is Gamma App. Gamma App creates websites that are professionally made and fully functional for any business to run their store or their online store. The fourth one is Midjourney. Midjourney creates artistic imagery that anyone can use to put on their brand or in their products and make money. The fourth one is Jasper AI. Jasper AI creates blog articles for businesses that want to talk about a new feature, a new product that they have dropped, and they want to communicate it professionally to their customers. And if you like the information that has been shared to you right now and you want to grow your own businesses from 0 to 10K each and every month, watch this video.